Hey, hope you have an awesome day. We are going to be drawing Snoopy. All you need is a marker, or preferably a black marker, because it's just one colour, black, that it is, and some paper to draw on. Alrighty, let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper here, and we're going to start drawing Snoopy's head up the top there. Alright, so first of all, we're going to start drawing his nose, or his snout. He is a dog, and it's just a big curved shape there. So let's draw that. So it kind of looks like this. Cool. And let's draw his head. So there's going to be another bump, another curve going up there. So there's a little curve there going in and then up and then round. Yep. Now the back of his head actually joins with his ear, so we can draw a very big U shape. So maybe let's start about here. We'll go down, and we'll go up and join up that line there. Very cool. And just down here, we're going to draw another small curve, which is just the back of his head joining the neck there. Alright, so let's draw a smiley face. Snoopy's always pretty happy. So his mouth starts along here, so we follow this line and then it curves up. Like that. You can put another little line in there as well. Alright, now let's draw his eyes. His eyes is just a line there. Just like that. It's a little, you can make it a little thicker. Alright, and normally up the top here, he's got his eyebrow, which is just a bit of a curved line there like that. Alright, he's looking a little funny, but there's a couple of details missing. Got to put his nose in there, so he's got a quite big nose. It's not right in the centre, it's a little bit lower, kind of in between his eye and his mouth, and it's just a kind of an oval shape. It doesn't have to be perfectly oval. And normally we'll colour it in, so we'll do another curve down here, and we'll colour the bottom part black. And the other part we'll colour in is his ear as well. So he's a beagle, that's the type of dog he is. So we're going to draw another kind of oval there and then colour that in. Now you don't have to colour it in perfectly, because the way he's drawn, you see, it's quite a rough sort of sketch. So we draw, just follow the shape there, leave a bit of a white edge there, up to about there, and then we can just colour that in. There we go. There, he's starting to look like Snoopy. Alright, now in the middle of the neck here, we're going to draw a little bit, just a tiny bit, a little further down, and then we're going to draw his, he's wearing a dog collar, and that's just a bit of a, kind of a black rectangle there. We can colour that in, leave a little bit of it white as well. Cool. Alright, so let's draw his body. So we're going to draw the front, we're going to go down and then we're going to go out. He's got a bit of a belly sticking out to about there. Yep. And then same with the back, we draw it going down there like that, and we'll just stop about there. Yeah, and this actually forms part of his hand. He's got his hand down. So in the middle of his body here, we're going to draw a line, and we're going to curve it down, and we're going to join up with this part here. So it's almost like a U shape. There we go. And we're going to draw two little lines down here. This is for his paw. And he's normally got a bit of a black spot there as well. You colour that in there. Alright, let's draw his legs, and it's basically very simple. It's just basically three lines. So we've got one in here, one under his arm, and one just under his belly there. Just like that. Alright, now let's draw his legs. Sorry, no, we've done his legs, we're going to draw his feet. And his feet are quite long and flat. They almost look like a loaf of bread or something. So let's draw one foot like that, and it's curved, and the bottom is kind of flat, and it sticks out a little bit at the back, kind of like his ankle. Yep. And then we do, he's got 2 little lines in here for his paws. And we'll do the same in the back there as well. It's kind of hidden a little bit. But this time we're drawing 1 there, because the other one's hidden by his foot. Alrighty, and the last part is to draw his tail, and it is basically just a curve like that. It's almost a long almond sort of shape. Cool, and I'm just going to colour that a little bit black in there at the end. Alrighty, and that's all done. That's Snoopy, the dog. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing Snoopy. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other Snoopy and Peanut, Charlie Brown characters, so check those out, a lot of fun to draw. But thanks for watching, we'll see you again next time. Bye!